Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to discuss about how to create shortcuts on your computer desktop. So guys, shortcuts are used as a hyperlink icon that is used to reach to the source file. Like if you are seeing here Google Chrome and here is the icon of shortcut. This is tilted arrow. If you click on this application, you will be access to Google Chrome application. So like I am seeing here another application Microsoft Edge and I want to create a shortcut for it. So guys, for creating shortcuts you have to generally follow right click from your mouse button and here you find new option. You have to click on shortcut. As you click on shortcut, a new pop-up window will be opened and a dialog box will be opened. You have to click on browse. If you know the file location or executive file location, you can just click on that particular space and you can create the shortcut link for that. Like you are seeing here calendar 2022 here on desktop and here is also a calendar 2022 and you want to create a shortcut for it. You just have to click on calendar 2022 and click on OK and click on next, and then if you want to give another name for it you can manually give another name, or if you don't want to give another name you can just use same name. So this is the shortcut. Here is the arrow, tilted arrow, and this is the origin file. If you open this application or click on this icon, you are clicking on this icon too. This means this is linked to this icon. So now I delete it and I want to create a shortcut key for it or shortcut icon for Microsoft Edge. So you just have to visit Microsoft Edge on your computer. Like here is Microsoft Edge. You just have to right click on that particular icon and after clicking you have to click on more and open the file location. If you open the file location, you are seeing here the shortcut, many shortcuts of these applications. You just have to right click and click on create shortcut. If you create on shortcut, here a message is showing in front of you. Windows can't create a shortcut here because already existing shortcut is available. So do you want to place this shortcut on desktop? You just have to click S and you are seeing here a shortcut for Microsoft Edge is created now. So friends, hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, stay tuned with us. Thanks a lot guys.